Morning, everybody. Oh, here we go. Just heading downriver here. I just left Black Sand Beach, and today I'm paddling right now. I'm at Deadman's Eddy right now. So currents are a little walky in here, winky, whatever, different. So I'm trying to kind of work my way river right here, try to skirt all the crappy water that's ahead that I can see right now. I see a bunch of ripples right here. See the river's picking up quite a bit. So I'm just going to kind of slide down here and stay to the inside after this rough water. But it's a strong current for sure. It's really kicking me left here. But we'll make it. Big eddy on the inside here. Looks like I'm heading towards that cliff face over here. There we go. My spray skirt on, so I'm getting water in the cockpit here, which really sucks. There we go. Now's the time to move to the inside. If I had my spray skirt on, I'd probably run that to the left here. But I don't, so I'm just gonna kind of work my way around it. Take a bath in here. Getting all wet. Couple big whirlpools in here. See if I can work my way out of this. There we go. Coming up to the little town of Northport, and this is I guess they call it the Northport Bridge. Just beyond this bridge is going to be little Dalles, which is my next big challenge on the river. So wish me luck. And, there we go. So beautiful day today. I got an early start, so the water level's down right now, which is good for little Dalles coming up. Quite as powerful, but it still will have a lot of punch to it. So I'm going to stop up here for a little bit and kind of make sure everything's back down, and pop a piece of gum in my mouth and head down the river. So we'll be seeing that shortly. about ready to go through the little Dalles here. The river restricts down to about 200 feet here. Today it looks really calm in here, so I'm not expecting much. Turn this around. And you notice this rock wall on the left. It's a good indication of when you get into this thing. And a man-made wall. So let's see what we got going on here. It's pretty good today. Probably be some swirlies in here, but that's about it. Don't really see any whirlpools forming, so that's the biggest worry. So we have this really bright white colored rock on the right and this sort of man-made rock wall on the left. That's the two indications, and then there's this power line that goes across the middle here with the orange balls on it. I can imagine at higher water levels this would be pretty darn treacherous in here. It's not a very long rapid, but it can be intense when the river's flowing really fast and creating big whirlpools in here. So we're just going to head down here right into the middle, kind of see what happens, and go with the changes in the river here. Last time I was in here a year ago, there was whirlpools forming, and but they were small. They were not very big. You can see the water starting to eddy up here and gather strength. I see it. The water's pushing way to the right. If I recall, I went into the left here last time. So there's a whirlpool right there in the middle. Not much of a whirlpool, just kind of a small eddy. See, there's probably a big eddy behind this rock on the right that's jetting out. So nothing so far here. Now we're into the jaws of the beast here. And see some forming here to my left. Well, this is actually much calmer than when I went into it last time. There's one forming right in front of us. That's a tiny one. It's teeny tiny. Beautiful waterfall here. Waterfall. Swirlies over here too. What happens here is when the water's running really fast, it builds up against these rocks here on the left and then careens off, creating whirlpools. So I'm really relieved to see that there's nothing big in here today. I wasn't really expecting much because I knew the river was down. So everything's all good here at Little Dalles today. My last really kind of big danger spot past the three major ones, which is Red Grave Canyon, Rock Island Rapid, and Little Dalles. Now it's clear sailing all the way to Grand Coulee Dam. There's the Little Dalles. Not doing too much today. River's down pretty well. See the water line on the rocks. Way up there. Maybe another day.